The silkworm is one of the most fascinating and important insects in human history. This tiny creature, with its ability to produce silk, had a profound impact on the development of ancient civilizations such as China and continues to play a crucial role in the modern textile industry. Originating from China, the silkworm, also known as Bombyx mori, is a species of moth whose larvae produce a silky thread that can be spun and woven. This extraordinary ability to produce silk was a well-kept secret by the Chinese for centuries until the technique spread to other parts of the world. The breeding of silkworms involves a fascinating process that begins with the laying of eggs by the adult female. These eggs, called seeds, hatch into larvae that voraciously feed on mulberry leaves. As the larvae grow, they go through several molts, gradually increasing in size. When the larva is ready to transform into a pupa, it begins building a silky cocoon by wrapping itself in a continuous thread that it produces. This cocoon is the raw material of silk, and its formation process is a true wonder of nature. Inside the cocoon, the larva transforms into a pupa and eventually emerges as an adult moth. However, this moth is not the same as the one that laid the initial eggs. It is the result of an impressive metamorphosis that turns the voracious larva into a delicate winged insect. The silk produced by the silkworm is a unique natural fiber with exceptional characteristics. Its shine, softness, and durability have made it one of the most coveted textile materials throughout history. The commercial route known as the Silk Road was established to transport this valuable material from China to the West, driving trade and cultural exchange between civilizations. In addition to its economic importance, the silkworm also has deep symbolic and cultural significance. In China, for example, silkworm rearing was considered a noble activity associated with the empress and the women of the court. This tradition was reflected in various works of art, literature, and even Chinese mythology. The silkworm rearing process is also fascinating from a scientific standpoint. Researchers have studied in detail the biology and behavior of this species, seeking to better understand its mechanisms of silk production and metamorphosis. This knowledge has been applied not only in the textile industry but also in areas such as medicine and materials engineering. Silkworm rearing is an activity that requires care, patience, and attention to detail. Silkworm breeders, known as sericulturists, need to provide the larvae with ideal conditions of temperature, humidity, and food so that they can produce high-quality silk. This process involves everything from the careful selection of mulberry leaves, which serve as food for the larvae, to the constant monitoring of cocoon development. Sericulturists need to be vigilant about possible diseases and pests that may affect the larvae, adopting preventive and control measures to ensure the production of excellent silk. Moreover, the harvesting and processing of the cocoons also require specific techniques. After the cocoon is formed, sericulturists need to decide whether to let the moths emerge naturally or to interrupt the process so that the silk can be extracted more efficiently. The silk thread obtained from the cocoons is then unwound, washed, dyed, and woven, giving rise to a wide range of products, from luxurious fabrics to industrial applications. This production chain involves not only sericulturists but also spinners, weavers, designers, and a whole network of professionals who contribute to the valorization and dissemination of this special material. Over the centuries, silkworm rearing has evolved, adapting to new technologies and market demands. However, the fascination and importance of this insect to humanity remain unchanged, as a testimony to the ingenuity and resilience of nature.